Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to fix screenshot not working on iPhone. For useful ways are tested here. Way 1. Force restart your iPhone. Just take my iPhone 12 as an example. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the button. OK, you can try again to take a screenshot. Way to use AssistiveTouch to take a screenshot. Tap Settings. Tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Touch. OK, turn on AssistiveTouch. Now, you can have a check. Well done, you successfully take a screenshot on iPhone. Way 3. Repair your iOS system with iOS Repair Tool. iSenshare iOS Repair Genius is the professional iOS system recovery software, which can fix various iOS system issues. You can download it from iSenshare.com. After installing the software on your computer, you can open the software instantly. Choose System Repair on the left side. Click Standard Mode. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Next on the software. OK, the software detects your iPhone successfully. You are asked to download the firmware package. Click Download to go ahead. Minutes later, click Repair. Then your iPhone will restart and work normally with no data loss. Way for factory reset your iPhone. Tap Settings. Go down and tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Tap Erase iPhone. It requires the iPhone passcode. See, the iPhone is being reset. That's all. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.